Would you know where to start if your identity was stolen? Having your identity stolen can be difficult to resolve, but it doesn't have to be. With Norton Identity Advisor Plus, you'll have a dedicated identity restoration specialist to help you resolve your case from start to finish. Your dedicated identity restoration specialist will be with you every step of the way, helping you to resolve your identity theft issue with relevant parties. You're backed by identity theft insurance. We will help you provide coverage for specific losses and expenses associated with identity theft. This includes legal expense reimbursement for up to $25,000, plus an additional $25,000 for obligation to pay related to credit and loan accounts opened in your name without your authorization. Norton Identity Advisor Plus also includes dark web monitoring that searches for your personal information on the dark web, such as your credit card numbers, bank account numbers, and more. If we find this information on the dark web, we will notify you and advise you on next steps you can take to help protect it. It also includes social media monitoring that helps keep your social media accounts safer by monitoring them for account takeovers, risky activity, and inappropriate content. If we think your account may be compromised, we'll notify you. With Norton Identity Advisor Plus, you have a trusted partner on your side when identity theft happens. Norton Identity Advisor Plus. Help with identity theft starts here.